What's going on, guys? This is Ty's Wildlife, and pretty much just starting out a YouTube channel, so I'm just going to explain what I'm doing and the YouTube channel and my car collection pretty much. So I got a 2003 H2 Hummer that's going to be in the video a lot. This is my daily driver. And also this Ford here, it's a 2004 Ford F-150. And the F-150 probably won't be in the videos as much. It's pretty much just my goof off car. And then this is the other vehicle. It's kind of dirty right now. And I'm going to get it painted here soon, hopefully. I got to pull out the motor and everything. It's got a 340 in it. It's a 4-speed. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll look better when I'm done. And, well, we're going to drive out to the field, and I'm going to do something for y'all. But pretty much, I'm just going to try to start my YouTube channel up. That's pretty much what this video is for. Share it to anybody you can. Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, or I already said Facebook. Snapchat. And on my 2003 H2 Hummer, I do have the exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Gonna go do the cut. And I took off the cast. My stepbrother's with me here. What's up, y'all? Yeah, we got a bunch of acres, so we can do some pretty stupid stuff sometimes.
Yes, sir.
Got a mud pit, fire pit back here. My car's in the barn.
Yeah, give him a little something, you know what I mean?
And they're pretty cool. I like them. They're mortar shells. I don't put them in the tube. They're pretty small, and they're only 1.4 grams, but they're pretty loud. I'm gonna have to step a little over 10 for you. I'm gonna probably cut over the little bit. Intense to light a firework. That didn't go far.
Oh, no. Woo! I hope y'all seen that because I was all over it.
You know what? Just to make sure y'all did see it, we're gonna light another one for you.
Sorry. This is, we're going to try this again. Take two frog balls.
Yeah, they're called frog balls.
Frog balls.
They got some real balls on them.
Frogs got real big balls. No.
Well, that's pretty much it for my intro preparing my videos. So thank you guys for watching and share it to everybody. Thank you.